Ma'am, I'm done all. I have done all. Ma'am, you're on mute.
We'll just wait for others to finish 2 or 3 minutes, okay?
Okay,
Till that time, you can just check your answers, Zaveria. Always when you all do something, recheck what you all have done, okay?
Ma'am, just shown me how to do the checking the answer, but I did not get it.
Which one?
Checking the answer, how to check it.
For division, you remember? We did
Yeah,
that
I
four.
remember.
Yeah. Here you can just simply check again that what have you added, is it correct or no, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. See where have you put your decimal point. Has everybody finished?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just 2 more minutes, okay?
Ma'am, I did hold.
Then we will all discuss together. Aisha Kazi, have you finished? Umar, Hamza?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Humaira Kasim? Please turn your screen on.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm doing the last one.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain? Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I finished all. Ma'am,
Aisha, I can't.
can you explain the third one?
I will explain all one by one. But has everybody finished?
I'm also finished. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh God, where's my pen? Okay. Now the first one is 7, 9.6. How have you written that?
Ma'am, the answer is 16. Ma'am, you'll write it. Ma'am, you'll write it. First, you'll write 9.6, and then you'll write 7.
Now 7 is a whole number. It is not a decimal number. So you have to convert it into a decimal number. So what you will do, we put a point and a 0. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 0 plus 6?
6.
And what is 7 plus 9? We will put a decimal. What is 7 plus 9?
16.
So I'll put 6 in the tens place. And one's place. And 1 will go in the tens place. So 0.6.
Yes, ma'am. I got 16.6. Me
Aisha
also.
Aga. No matter you write 7 down, but make sure that
Yes,
when
ma'am,
you
I
have
got
a
that answer only, but I did was 9.
yeah, that is okay. That is what I'm telling you all. No matter you'll write it upside down. But number is when you have a whole number and a decimal number, make sure that you convert the whole number into decimal number and then only you can do the addition. Okay. Now next is 8.6. 8.6. Now I have 0.11.
Ma'am, so you will write 0.11 first.
0. Correct?
Yes. Ma'am, the answer is 8.71.
Yes, Aisha.
The answer is 8.
Oo. Kita ko yung OHL, the 5 line net. Dala ko.
Yes, ma'am, it's 8.
Correct?
8.71.
Now, I have 100 and this number is 4.267. How will I write it?
Ma'am, you will write it.
1 minute, Aisha.
So you will write 4 under 3 and then you write point and then you will write 2, 6 and 7.
Put a decimal point and then I have 2, 6 and 7. And I have
Ma'am, the answer, can I say?
Because this is the whole number, I will couple point.
Yes. You cannot see a book.
You can't see?
No.
Give me 1 minute.
And the answer to that question will be
1
120.
minute, Aisha. There must be somebody who is confused. Please, it is 1, 2 and 3. And I have 4.267. Now 123 is a whole number, so I'll convert it into decimal. So I will put 0, 0, 0. And here also I can put 0. So now I can add.
Ma'am, the answer is 127.267.
Umar?
Yes, ma'am, the same answer. 127.
Important thing what you have to keep in mind is when you have a whole number, the place value of these numbers are very important. Understood? One place only. When you place the first number, make sure when your other number is in a decimal form, you have to put that numbers in their proper place value. You will get the proper answer and you'll come to know where the decimal is supposed to be. Understood?
Ma'am, the fourth one.
Okay, I will show it to you.
Ma'am, it's easy. The answer. What the answer? The answer is 60
No, Aisha, please wait, Aisha. 4.78, okay?
Yes.
Now I have 23.62. So 3 is in its ones place. Forget about this decimal and 62. First you have 23. So you know the number which is left to the decimal point is in its ones place and tens place. So I'm going to will come here, correct?
Yes.
I'm going to put a decimal point and I have 62 here. So now is it to add?
Yeah.
8 plus 2 gives me 10. 1 carry over. 7 plus 1 is 8.
And the 14, that one will be carry over to the
1 will become the
I will
whole
put a
number.
decimal point as it is, but the carryover is going to go to the next number. The carryover formula remains the same. Addition, or when you do an addition with decimal, okay? It is as same as what you do with other numbers. Now 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 3 gives me 8 and 0. So 28.
I got the same answer.
28.4.
Ma'am, I got the same
Okay, got
answer. Ma'am, I got the same answer, but I did another method.
28.40.
So 23.62, and then I wrote 4.78, and then I still got the same answer.
Very good. Numbers in their proper place value, you will get the correct answer. Why is Hamdan and Hamza so quiet? Are you all getting the answer?
That method is also correct.
Yes. Hamdan, Hamza, are you all with us? Are you all getting the answers properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Umaira, Kasim. Today many of them are not there, no?
Yes.
Okay, the last
Ma'am, the answer is 60.03.
30 here. So it is very easy. I'm going to put 30 here. I have a decimal point and I'm going to use 0 and convert it into decimal. 0 plus 0, 0. The decimal point comes as it is. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 60.03. Okay. Now can you all tell me what was the first sum? 9.6, right? Can somebody read out all the sums for me, Zaveria? Can you?
Yes. 7 plus 9.6.
Okay, second one.
8.6 plus 0.11.
Next.
4.78. 23.62.
Next.
4.78 plus 23.6.
You told me that, Zaveria. Fourth one.
Ma'am, I'm telling the fifth one.
Tell me.
0.3 plus 30.30.
You missed out on one.
And 123.267.
Okay, now we will all
30.03.
all this in subtraction. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay. Now, which is a greater number here?
96.
7.
It is not 96, it is 9.6.
9 points. I couldn't see the point.
7.
Now,
And can you make the point more darker? I can't see it.
7.
Darker, I can't see the point.
These are the same numbers what you all did for addition. So that 9.6 is greater than 7. Can anybody tell me?
No, the 9 is greater than 7.
And I have 7 here. It is greater.
Ma'am, because the first number 9 is greater than 7.
Now 9 is in its ones place. We know that because the number which is in its ones place, and because 7 is a whole number and it is a single number, we know that it is already in its ones place. So 7 is greater?
9.
9.
9. So 9.6 is greater than 7.
Yes.
Now, for example, if I here, I have 5.6. Now, which number is greater?
Then 7 is greater.
7. 7. 7.
You check first the number which is to the left hand side is. So if that number is greater than this number, or if this number is greater than this, accordingly we'll put the sign. Now 7 is greater than 5.6,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
I will give you few more numbers. 1 minute.
Ma'am, so what we have to do now?
I will tell you, Aisha, give me 1 minute. Now I'm 32 and 10.46. Which number is greater?
11.32 because 11 is greater than 10.
7 is greater. Now I have 22 point and 22.0. Which number is greater?
22.11.
Because 22 and 22 is same, but 1 greater than 0.
When you get these two numbers like this, and you're told to do greater and smaller sign, when you're asked to put a greater and smaller sign, what the immediate number after the decimal point? Here you have 1 and here you have 0. So automatically this number becomes greater than this. Okay? Now here you know that 9.6 is greater than 7. So this is 9.6, and where will I write 7? And I put a point and 0 and make it convert it into decimal. Now can you subtract this? 6 minus 0, and I'll put
6.
a decimal point.
And 2.6.
Gives me 2. So 2.6 is my answer.
Yes.
Please subtract like that.
Yes. Subtraction and addition is the same. I told you
Ma'am,
only.
if you but the 7 should be under 6, no, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
How you did in addition? How you did it in addition? Is 7 under 6? 7 is in its ones place, right?
Yes.
Now if I have to do 9.3, I have 7.
The number after the decimal is the 10th place, not the 1st place. It's the 10th.
Yes, this number is in 10th place. I'll write, see, it is TENTHS, 10th place, and this number 9 is in its 1st place. So now 7 does not have a decimal point. It is alone here. It is just one number. So it is automatically considered to be in its 1st place. Understood?
Yes.
So 1st place. So it will come under 9 because 9 is in its 1st place. Aisha, how did you do the addition? It is similar to that.
I understood.
Yes. Now is it easy for you all to do the rest?
Yes, ma'am. It's easy.
So you all try that and we will again discuss all the answers, okay? Come on.
Ma'am, in 8.6 minus 0.11, which will come up? 8.6 will come up and
No matter
0.11.
the place value should be same. For example, now 8.6. Now 0 is in its 1st place, Zaveria. 0.1 minus. Correct?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
can you do
Ma'am,
this?
in we don't see that we have to borrow.
You have to
We don't have to
borrow.
borrow. If 0 is up and 8 is down.
Yeah, we have to borrow then. I will show you borrow method also. You do this. We will also.
Okay.
Borrowing method is also the same what you do in normal subtraction. How you did addition? Addition was easy. It was as simple as what you'll do with normal numbers, what you all have learned in normal addition. The only thing is you all have to be very careful where the decimal point will come. Okay.
Ma'am, in the third question, 4.78 minus 23.62, there is borrowing method in that.
Yes. So try that. Coming up with good answers. With correct answer, I'm sorry. And then we will discuss it here, okay? 5 minutes is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, do it carefully.
Ma'am. 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 Eight point 49.
Over.
No, ma'am, I want the fourth one.
Okay. Easy. Are you all getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Done everything.
Okay. Did you all get 8.51 for the second one?
What? 8
Did
point.
you all get
Yes.
8.51?
That only. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got 2.6 for the first.
Yes, it is correct. Which one is greater? 23.62 is greater.
Ma'am, that answer is 21.50.
No. While addition, if you write any number up and down, it is okay. Yes. But that is why I showed you all.
Ma'am, in subtraction, we have to write first the big number and then under we have to write the small number,
You
right?
can identify 4.78 smaller number than 23.62. So I will write the greater number up and the smaller number down. Now is it easy for you all to minus? Zaveria,
Ma'am, the second answer is 21.55.
Okay, I will do it and I'll check myself. And then Aisha can also check her answer. Minus 8 from 2. Okay, Hamza.
8 from
What
2.
visible to you now?
No, you can from 6.
I will borrow from 6. So
Yes.
here if I borrow 1, this will become 2 and this will become 5. So what is 12 minus 8? What is 12 minus 8?
4.
Zuveria, Umar, Hamza. 12 minus
4.
8.
4.
4.
Look up here. 4. Now can I minus 7 from 5?
No, you have to borrow from 3.
From here. So this will become 2 and this will become 15. Now what is 15 minus 7? 8. And I will put the decimal point wherever it is, correct? Now can I
And you
minus
cannot, you have to borrow again.
again I have 1 and this will become 12. So what is 12 minus 4 now?
Ma'am,
8.
And now because I don't have any number here, so this one will, so did you all get 18.84?
Yes, I got 18.
Everybody?
No, ma'am. No.
Yes.
Why, Aisha, where have you made a mistake? Please tell me.
Which question was that?
It was 4.78 minus 23.62. Of course, 23.62 is
First-
a greater number.
First, I wrote 4 flats.
Yes. That is why first I taught you all how will you identify the greater number. You understood? When it is an addition, you can write upside to add.
Because both of the answers will be the same.
But when it is subtraction, you have to think, you have to put the greater number up because you have to subtract from one.
Yes, but
So when
ma'am,
in
because
addition,
in addition, both the answers will be the same.
yes. So just rectify, okay? Now we are coming up to the third one.
And the third one's answer is 30.0.
Ma'am, but for the first one,
30.0.
for the first one, I put the greater number down.
Which one?
For the first one,
Then do you got the correct
Ma'am,
answer?
the 3.
Yes. The answer is 0.3. Okay?
ma'am, what is the first one answer?
2.6.
Yes, ma'am, I got 2.6, but I wrote this a greater number down, and I
If you
got
write the
2.6.
greater number, will become minus negative 2.6. Because if you put the greater number down, how will you get 2.6? You cannot get 2.6. So make sure that whenever you check which number is greater from both the numbers, then you place the greater number on top, and according to that, place the number which is below in its probably you will get the correct answer. Okay. Now let us do the last sum. I have 100 and 4.267. Am I right?
Ma'am, what of the fourth one?
30.03 minus 30 will give you 0.3.
Okay.
Okay. Thus here, the place value, is it right? Is it correct? Can anybody check this? Zaveria, Umar, Hamdan. Correct? Come on, now I will subtract. Zeros here, I have to borrow from here. So this will become 2. This will become 9. 10 minus 7. 9 minus 6 gives me again 3. 9 minus 2 gives me 7. Decimal point here. I cannot subtract 4 from 2. So I will have to again borrow from this side. This becomes 12. 12 minus 4 gives me 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 0 is 1. So 118.733. Correct? Check.
What is the answer for the second?
Second. Now which was the second number?
Ma'am, it's 0.11 plus 8.60 minus.
8.60
Yes,
or 8.6.
yes, 6.
So 8.6 is the greater 8.6 and 0.11 will come here. So can I minus 0? So this will be... Okay, first time when I did, there was a mistake. I'm sorry. So 10 minus 1 will give me 1. 5 minus 1 will give me... The decimal point will come as it is. And 8 minus 0 is 8. So 8.41 is the answer. Did you all get it? Board also, I also made a mistake. This is the correct method. 8.60 minus 0.11. So 8.60 is a greater number. Sorry, 8.6 is a greater number. So this is how I arrange. And I converted into decimal form. Did everybody get 8.41?
Yes. Ma'am, in the last question,
Yes. See, the last one is here. 118.733.
How many more questions you're going to give?
This is for your homework. What I'm writing here, you will have to do this for your homework.
Ma'am, can you give it in Google Classroom, ma'am?
You want me to give it in the Google Classroom?
Ma'am, can you give 10?
Okay, I will add it in the Google Classroom. No worries, okay? No, don't write this. Everybody got the correct answer?
Yes.
So now I will add in the Google. I will add, listen to me carefully. I will add 5 sums. In that you will get addition also and subtraction also. But how we did same addition with the subtraction with the same numbers now. So for example, if I have 2.1 plus 0.1, you will do addition also for that number and subtraction also, okay?
Ma'am, what is it?
Next maths class.
Ma'am, then it will
Ma'am,
be
that
very
is
easy.
tomorrow.
Yeah, but tomorrow you are going for your trip, no?
It's so easy if you did for both. We can check also doing addition.
Yes. Okay, because you all are going tomorrow for trip, I am not putting sums for you all, okay? You all enjoy, you will do it again, okay?
No, ma'am, put it. No, ma'am.
Yeah, put it. No, you all go, you all enjoy.
No,
Okay?
no, put it. I'm not
Okay.
going. I'm going to do.
Going? Why, Aisha?
We don't want to go.
You don't want. Hamdan, are you going? Umar, are you going?
Yes, ma'am, I'm going.
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza is going?
Yes, ma'am, I'm going.
And Aisha Kathy?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Wow.
I'm also going, ma'am. I'm also going.
Aisha, why are you not going? Go, no? You can enjoy with them, no?
also come now?
Yes. But I won't be there, okay? I will see you all in the next class.
Okay.
Ma'am, put the sums.
Okay, I will put the sums by evening. Okay?
It will be for all.
Do addition also and
Ma'am, it will be for all.
subtraction also. And others who are going for your trip, don't take any burden. No, it's okay if you all cannot do that, okay?
Ma'am, can you
With me and
end the
Aisha.
class now?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am, can you end the
just,
class now?
Yes,
and
please
we
end
can
the
just
class,
do
but
it
we
inside
will
the
have
class.
the next class, okay? Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.